जी जी
डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह की
हाँ जी
death हो गई है।
हाँ जी हाँ जी
तो और क्रिकेटर्स एक ब्लैक मैन बैन के भी
जी।
प्रैक्टिस कर रहे
हाँ
थे
जी,
और
हाँ
ये
जी।
सब देखा गया।
हाँ जी हाँ जी
तो उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
जी बड़े दुख की बात है। मतलब आज हमें भी सुबह ही मालूम चला कि उनकी डेथ हो गई है। और उन्होंने ना सिर्फ प्रधानमंत्री रहते हुए मतलब ब्यूरोक्रेसी से लेकर अंत तक जितने भी स्टेजेस में उन्होंने देश का कंट्रीब्यूट किया है वो बहुत ही रिमार्केबल है। और उन्होंने बहुत फेमसली कहा था कि जनता मुझे हिस्ट्री मुझे बहुत अच्छे से जज करेगी। तो अब हम सब समझ सकते हैं कि लास्ट के 10 सालों में उनकी जो पॉलिसीज थी जिससे हम सब लोग को हेल्प हो रही है, ना सिर्फ हिंदुस्तान में, हिंदुस्तान के बाहर भी उनकी पॉलिसी से उन्होंने काफी कंट्रीब्यूट किया है देश को। और आप श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं उनको और हम चाहते हैं कि उनके परिवार अच्छे से रह पाए।
नहीं, बहुत ही दुख की बात है। आई थिंक ही वॉज अ विजनरी लीडर। सो उन्होंने जो भी इकोनॉमिक रिफॉर्म्स वगैरह जो इंडिया में लेके आए, दैट्स रियली मतलब वो पहले इंसान थे जो उन्होंने इंडिया को तरक्की की ओर लेके गए। तो बहुत ही सैड डे है आज।
और टीम इंडिया भी एक ब्लैक बैंड बांध के प्रैक्टिस करी तो उसको कैसे देखते हैं?
नहीं, बिल्कुल मतलब इतने विजनरी इंसान के लिए जो मतलब देश का नाम, मनमोहन सिंह को सब कोई जानते हैं, जो देश का नाम रोशन किया, तो डेफिनेटली आई थिंक इतना रिस्पेक्ट बनता है। सो प्लेयर्स दे आर डूइंग देयर बिट। सो
It's very sad to hear about that. And when we look at it, the reforms, that economic reforms he got during as a finance minister, he got India to another level itself from the economic terms. It's very sad to hear about it.
अच्छा, देखा गया कि इंडियन टीम ने भी एक उनके उस पर ब्लैक बैंड बांध के प्रैक्टिस मैच खेल रहे हैं। सर उसके बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
He deserves that actually, that respect and everything. And if you look at it, even the other country ministers like President of US Barack Obama and others also, they also were highly respecting him. So I think he deserves that one.
Thank you.
I think it's a big loss to the nation, of course. He was someone who led the country for so many years, very well respected, politician, as well as his time during being a finance minister. He led the country in tough times. I remember waking up this morning and seeing the news. I read a quote from him that I hope the media is going to be nice on him, which was something that brings back memories of his time. He was not someone who was very out there. He was someone very calm, patient. So losing him, in general as a politician, as a human, is a big loss. And our team is, of course, showing that by, wearing the black bands that they are wearing. Big loss to the nation.
And so you
I'm Abhishek. Echo his thoughts. Big loss to the nation. Really led the country for such a long time. Very well respected. So, but it's a big loss, and just hope, wish the best for his family, and hope the nation is delivered a lot for the nation. So, I think we can just all pay respect to the life he led.
And our team India is also showing respect, wearing the black bands.
Right. Very, very aptly so. I think he's led the nation for so many years. I think that's the least Team India could do, wearing black bands. So just goes to show the kind of man he was and the kind of respect he deserved unilaterally by everyone. So
yeah, it's news that we got today that Manmohan Singh has passed away. I think it's really sad. He was one of our best finance ministers when he was in that position. He was really not I wouldn't say the best prime minister, but that was not his fault, I would say. But overall it's a really sad thing.
Yeah, and our Indian team is also wearing black bands to show some respect to him.
I think that tells you a lot about the guy. He, even though was not a very popular prime minister, he still had an impact on people's life, and that has been acknowledged by the team. I think that's a mark of respect for the guy, as he should be respected for the contributions he made.
Hi, I'm Vaibhavi, and I just got to know that as well, that Mr. Manmohan Singh have passed away, and it's really sad to know that, and I'm so happy that our cricketers are showing support and showing respect. I think it's a good way of uniting people of all fronts, like sports, politics, they all go hand in hand, and I'm really happy that they are doing this. I'm very proud of them for that. Thank you.
Yeah, we heard about the news early in the morning that Dr. Manmohan Singh passed away, and I personally believe it's a great loss. While I was hearing somebody commenting about him as a Prime Minister, but he was very key and instrumental for the globalization which India went through, and during the early 1991, opening the world. So he was a great economist, and I think we lost a really good economist today, and it's sad, and it's really good to see that Team India is mourning that loss for the nation.
So how do you think?
It is really heartwarming to see that the team that I've supported since I was a child, they are even showing respect for Dr. Manmohan Singh, and we all have him in our hearts, right? So he was a great Prime Minister and a key figure in our politics, and he was a great economist. So this is a big loss for India today. He was a gem. So that's all I have to say. But yeah, all the best to Indian team. I think they are going to win.